Hi friends, this is Hemalita Champula. Today we want to know just how to upload products in Shopify store. Just click on products, add product. For example, I just creating jewelry store. For that, I just uploading one bracelet image. This is product title. Just give some title for the product. Mm, Ladies bracelet and give some description, blah blah blah. For example, this product I have uploaded already, but for showing you again I'm just adding. Just give description in no sense. See friends, this way it will display. This is the description for the product. Okay, this the title. This thing will add. You can add so many lines. There is no restriction for that. Okay friends, just add. He just pasted something like bullshit. This is the editor format. This is the visual format. Now we just add images here. I have only one image friends, that's why I had just added one image. If you want to show like this way, you can add two more images also. And just give price here. In pricing we have so many options, right? So I will discuss price, compare price and cost per item. Actually, so if we have sale, discount kind of things, uh, like the way we can give. For now I just give cost per item only. Okay, charge tax on this product. I mean, we want to add tax amount, we just highlight this option, otherwise no need. And inventory, if we have, any inventory SKU barcode, like when you ship this product, that's time we will get to know how many quantity we have products, we can mention here. Otherwise just ignore, that's not an issue. Just save it. Okay, just check this product in store. Right now, I mean, we don't have any quantity right now, that's why it's showing sold out. Just give quantity. 200 for just an example friends. Now it's available. Add to cart and buy now. Hmm? That's it friends. And I'll show you bulkly how to upload products. Oh, okay, I just forgot to tell you something like we while creating product we have to give some product type name and vendor name. Some, I mean, it's a if it is a platform selling other vendors, that time we'll use like who, like brand name, vendor name. That's good. Right now, that product type is, it's a bracelet. Type it. Okay. And we have, if we have already created any collection for this, just give collection. Otherwise, no need, because we already, I mean, while creating collection, then we'll give product type. That's only two things. If we want to add any um, something tag, we can tag which type of this gold type, right? Just give the tag. That's it. Save. That's it, friend. And next class